Yo, what's up mga treasure? We have a deal going on right now and talagang it's really hard to decide because ang gaganda ng mga items na offer ni sir. So we have sets of signed jersey from PBA legends like Mark Pingris, meron din tayong kay James Yap, and meron din tayong kay Alvin Patrimonio and also kay PJ Simon. So talagang I'm very torn. I can only afford one. But I really like the Mark Pingris sign because there's a lot of proof of signing dito. Meron pang pa-video si sir. As you can see. So talaga namang may legit proof that Mark Pingris Pinoy Sakuragi do sign this item. Pero meron din kasi kay James Yap na proof of sign plus ang ganda ng pagkakapirma. Talagang as you can see yung pirma niya dito, like talagang detailed, not a simple doodle or what. Mostly kasi ng mga item na autograph, ganun yung pagkaka-sign nila eh. Parang they just stroke the pen and whatsoever. But these signs, most especially din tong kay Mark Pingris, as you can see, ang ganda. Buong buo. But the problem ng kay Mark Pingris naman, since napakatagal na itong jersey niya na to, medyo may stains and may tama na siya. So pag ino-observe ko din nung chinek ko yung item dun sa sinend ni sir, there's some stains. So medyo off siya as a collector. Itong kay James Yap naman talaga is talagang currently top candidate, knowing na one of the best in PBA yung tao na yan. Ito naman kay like PJ Simon, maganda rin yung pagkakaano niya, pagkaka-sign. Kaso yun nga lang, I'm really not a fan of him, but he's a good player. It's just Pinoy Sakuragi, James Yap, and Alvin Patrimonio, at least they are, for me, I don't know for the others, but for me, they are much good when it comes to basketball. But again, PJ Simon is very good as well. Ayaw na ayaw kung nandyan yan pag naglalaro yung San Miguel, kasi he's really one of the sakit sa ulo rin when it comes sa kalaban. But ayun na nga, medyo nahirapan ako mag-decide. So I'm still trying to find which one to purchase. So nagdi-deal pa kami ni sir, trying to get two for at least a certain amount or value. But hopefully I can get something. Update ko kayo after a few. And now we are back mga ka-treasure. So natuloy na yung deal natin. Medyo composed of a day bago kami nagkasundo ni Sir Pat when it comes to the transaction na magaganap. So initially we will have the Pingris and the James Yap jersey, pero I'm torn between getting the Pingris due to the much detailed, and ang hirap na kasing humanap ng Pingris autograph ngayon, sa totoo lang. Pero again, meron kasing dent yung item, plus may stain din siya sa mismong jersey. So as a collector, and if i-display natin yan, medyo talagang alanganin. So we go with the James Yap na jersey na binibenta ni Sir Pat. So as you can see, this is the jersey. Nire-ready niya na nung nag-uusap kami. So close deal na siya. But I just want to show you guys again how beautiful this autograph ni James Yap. So buong buo yung autograph niya dito with personal handprint of Bossing James as part of the Bossing Blackwater yung team right now. So solid talaga when it comes to the autograph. So parang kay Pingris din naman. Yung kay Pingris kasi talagang buong buo rin siya dito sa bandang part na to. Yun nga lang, stains are all over. So hindi na siya talaga ideal for display. Though hindi naman siya ganun ka problematic if you will consider. Pero again, if you have an option to choose between a clean slate one and a little bit stained one, plus yung players involved naman ay both superstars and legends, so just choose the one na malinis. Para kung i-display mo man yan, diba, walang anything na masasabi. Or even ikaw, pag tumingin ka dun sa display, you cannot say na, ay, ang dumi, ang pangit. Right? So just choose with what's the best condition. Kung equal naman na superstar, legends, or talagang maganda, high caliber quality yung pumirma. Pero if, for example, the items are in between, like James Yap versus someone new sa PBA na wala pang name and hindi talaga kilala. So, doon na tayo kay James. Even though may stains or may mga a little bit punit-punit pa yan dyan. Diba? Kasi if gagastos ka na lang din naman, choose what worth ang gagastusin mo. Right? So, again, ayun, close deal na to. So, nakapag-usap na kami ni Sir Pat and currently pinapadala niya na yung item natin. So, hintay na lang natin yan sa Lalamove na makarating sa atin. So, gagawa ko lang separate video for the unboxing and for the review of the jersey ni James Yap. But, so far, yun lang naman, na-share ko lang. Quick transaction lang with Sir Pat, another collector. So, see you in the next episode. So, meron tayong transactions, collector tips. See ya.